Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS Thanos 10, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the sound. As you can see right here, we've got two different options which we can customize. So this is a notification sound and the alarm sound. So let me show you how to change the sound using notification sound. Let me tap on it, and as you can see right here, we've got some defaultly installed options from which we can choose. Once more, at the very bottom we've got the option add ringtone, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have some, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here, and of course if they will be compatible you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. And as you can see at the very top, you've got also the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the sound feedback to notify you about the notification. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. So you can of course check the whole list, and if you'd like to set particular notification sound, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, like in my case Cobalt, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone, or actually the sound in your ODYS Thanos 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.